Welcome to the mid-length and layered blow-drying collection from MHDPro. During this course, you will learn about consultation for dressing services, as well as a variety of blow-drying techniques, taking into consideration control of direction, tension, heat control, brush choice and cooling, as well as options for a bespoke finish, such as root lift and beveling. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, you will learn about consultation for a dressed service and how to identify factors that may influence or limit techniques. In Lesson 2, Graham Oglesby demonstrates a blow-dry on a mid-length layered shape above the shoulders with a natural side parting. For Lesson 3, Snowdon Hill produces a cool, edgy and luxurious blow-dry with a sultry, heavy fringe. He uses an application of tongs through the back and the interior to create a volumized texture. Lesson 4 has Stacey Broughton demonstrating a classic uniform layer blow-dry. This technique teaches you how to wrap dry using the head shape to understand how to control movement and root direction in a layered shape. Finally, Stacey Broughton guides you through a graduated blow-dry from the perimeter up to support the internal shape in Lesson 5. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the mid-length and layered blow-drying collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the mid-length and layered blow-drying collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.